Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to select particular object on Canva to move it together or to resize it together. So first thing we have to do is open the Canva application, and now you can either choose a new project or you can also use the previous project that you have here. So for me, I want to use the previous object. So okay, hold on. So here is a object that I have on my Canva, and there will be like several object. Exactly, there will be a three object. This one is first object, this one is second, and this one is the third. So we can choose these three objects together by clicking these three small buttons. So first thing, make sure that the object is in active mode by clicking the object, and after that click this three small button right here, and after you're done just need to click a select multiple on this button feature. By clicking the select multiple, you can choose another object on this canvas, for example the second one and the third one, and you can see there are three objects is now in a one unit, let's say. And how to move it, you just need to move it to several positions that you want to have, and you can also resize it together by just drag it this corner into the inside like this. Okay, so after you're done, you just need to click randomly every positions out of this object. Okay, and now you're done. So that's all the way how to select multiple objects on your Canva. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.